The Minecraft Bedrock Edition installation error in Windows is a common problem that occurs when attempting to install the Bedrock version of Minecraft on a Windows PC. This error is often associated with older software versions, incompatibility, and internal system errors. Some of the common causes of this error include unmet system requirements, interference from antivirus software, strict security settings, and conflicts with existing software. To install Minecraft Bedrock Edition, a Windows 10 or 11 computer with an Intel i3 or AMD processor, 4 GB of RAM, an integrated graphics card, and at least 1 GB of storage space is required. If these requirements are not met, the installation will not proceed. Additionally, third-party antivirus software can interfere with the installation process due to aggressive security algorithms. Windows 11's strict security protocols can also prevent installation if the game is downloaded from an untrusted source. Furthermore, some programs on the computer may have administrative permissions that can prevent Minecraft installation. To fix the error, it is essential to check the system requirements and ensure they are met. This can be done by pressing the Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys to open the Task Manager, then clicking on the Performance tab to view the CPU, memory, and disk space. Updating Windows software, clearing storage, and ensuring the computer meets the hardware requirements can also resolve the issue. Uninstalling third-party antivirus software can also help, as it can interfere with the installation process. This can be done by accessing the Start menu, clicking on the Settings icon, selecting Apps and Features, and then uninstalling the antivirus software. It is crucial to download Minecraft from a trusted source, such as the Microsoft Store or the official Minecraft website, rather than pirated sources that may modify their installers to bypass DRM checks. To download Minecraft from the official website, visit the website, click on Get Minecraft, select the Windows version, and complete the download process. Alternatively,